Transport Ministry, together with the Domestic Trade and Cost of Living Ministry, will hold discussions on the banning of seatbelt buckle disablers or dummy buckles being sold in the market. Transport Minister Anthony Loke said these discussions will be held to examine the enforcement aspects of each ministry, as the sale of this device is seen to be widespread and in violation of road safety regulations.
Sebab buckle tu dummy saja, dia hanya buckle tu tanpa tali. Itu defeat the purpose untuk pakai tali pinggang. Sebab kita tahu mengapa dia buat begitu. Sebab kebanyakan kenderaan baru sekarang ini dia ada sensor. Kalau tak letak buckle, dia ada siren. Ada bunyi siren daripada kenderaan. Jadi mereka ini adalah orang yang begitu kreatif lah. Dia buat dummy buckle untuk bucklekan supaya tak bunyi. Tapi tali pinggang tak pakai. Jadi itu tetap melanggar peraturan.
He said this at a press conference after the Chinese New Year celebration event and launch of the Malaysia Maritime Single Window at the KSL Convention Centre on Monday. Previously, Negeri Sembilan Road Transport Department Director Hanifi Sabra Yusof raised concerns over the rising use of devices to disable seatbelt alarms and improper seatbelt use. The issue gained attention after 195 notices were issued for seatbelt violations during the Chinese New Year special operation, with over 30% involving such devices. Meanwhile, the ban on 3-pin sockets and USB ports in express buses, enforced since November 6th, remains until new wiring guidelines are issued. The Energy Commission and SIRIM are developing installation standards expected by May.